If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that we like to take family trips. But when it comes to flying out of Toronto Pearson, there's one hotel we keep coming back to. We stayed at the Sheraton Gateway right at the airport about 3 or 4 times now, and every single time I say, I need to film a proper review of this place. Well, today's finally that day. Hands down, this is our favorite hotel in the Toronto airport area, especially while traveling as a family. On our most recent trip to Mexico, and yes, those vlogs are coming soon, we had an early flight and had to be at the airport terminal by 3:30 in the morning. With a 6-year-old and a 2-year-old in tow, that usually sounds like a complete recipe for chaos and grumpy moods. But staying here made it surprisingly easy. So today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about this hotel. The room, the vibe, the airport access, and whether it's actually worth booking for your next trip. Let's start with the number one reason we love this property: location. The Sheraton is literally connected right to Terminal 3. You take the elevator down from your room, walk through a climate-controlled skywalk, and you're standing inside the terminal. No waiting outside in the cold or rain for a hotel shuttle, no fighting for luggage space on a busy bus, and zero highway traffic anxiety. If your flight happens to fly out of Terminal 1, don't worry, it's still effortless. You just take the free Terminal Link train right at the station attached to the hotel, and you're over at Terminal 1 in less than 2 minutes. When you're trying to navigate an airport at 3:30 a.m. with 2 little kids and multiple bags, being able to just roll your luggage right over to check-ins is a game changer. People often assume airport hotels feel cold, dated, or a bit depressing, like everyone's just trapped waiting on a delay. But the vibe here is completely different. The property is modern, super clean, and really spacious. Because most of the guests are either starting a vacation or heading out on a trip, the energy in the lobby and restaurant is surprisingly fun and upbeat. You've got people mingling and having pre-flight drinks with that awesome vacation is starting energy. But if you need to lock in, there are also quiet areas set aside for phone calls, meetings, or catching up on work. And if you're traveling with kids, there's even an arcade to keep them busy. Let's step inside the room. Every stay we've had here, the rooms have been spotlessly clean, super comfortable, and spacious enough for the whole family. We always order in or bring dinner into the room the night before an early flight, and there's more than enough room to eat comfortably. The bathroom is clean, modern, and has great lighting, warm and relaxing for a late night shower, but gentle enough for those brutal early morning wake-ups. Trust me, having a warm shower just minutes before walking into the airport terminal makes a world of a difference. And as for the noise, you'd expect it to be loud since you're close to the tarmac, but the soundproofing is top tier. Thanks to heavy multi-pane windows, you barely hear a thing outside, making it super easy to get a good night's rest. Now, if you or your kids are into planes like our boys are, then the room views are pure gold. You can sit at the window and watch aircrafts all day and all night. It definitely kept the kids glued to the glass while we did some last-minute packing. For amenities, they've got a fantastic fitness center and plenty of smart spots to work or grab a quick bite. Walking around the lower level, I noticed a whole series of meeting rooms and event spaces. And a really cool touch is that they're all named after different international airports. Now, I'll be honest, we didn't end up spending time at the indoor pool on this day because our focus was purely resting up for that 3:30 a.m. wake-up call. But if you're staying here on a longer layover, traveling with kids who need to burn off energy, or just want to relax before a flight, having a full indoor pool attached right to the terminal is a huge bonus. If you're driving in, the parking setup here is fantastic. While we used a work discount for our park and fly option on this trip, the absolute best part is that the main airport parking garage gives you direct access right into the Sheraton Hotel. You get to park under a roof, keep your keys, and walk straight into the lobby without stepping outside or waiting for a shuttle. Plus, with the airport's Terminal Link train attached right at the station next to the hotel, getting anywhere in the airport or back to your car is super quick and completely hassle-free. So, is the Sheraton Gateway worth booking? For us, 100% yes. When you factor in skipping the morning traffic rush, eliminating shuttle stress, and walking into the airport with kids in under 5 minutes, it pays for itself in peace of mind every single time. It's why we keep coming back. Let me know in the comments if you stayed here before, or where you usually stay when you're flying out of Pearson. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and stay tuned because those Mexico vlogs are up next. Thank you for watching.